Hey guys, today I'll be doing my first tutorial on silk press. It's my daughter, she's my client for the day. And I just finished washing her hair, and I'll show you the products that I use to wash her hair. I went online and I tried to find the best product for silk press, and somebody mentioned this. It's called Paul Mitchell. And I guess you can get it at your any local beauty supply store. This is the shampoo. It's called Super Skinny Shampoo, and the conditioner is the same brand, and this one is Super Strong Conditioner by the same company, Paul Mitchell. And also I'll be using a silk serum. So I already applied that on here, and you just need a little pea size in the palm of your hand. You rub it together and you try to distribute it evenly over the hair. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna be blow drying her hair. So when I am finished blow drying her hair, you will see the end results. Stay tuned.
Well, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. Whatever's in store for me, it's gonna be nice. It's crazy right now, Lord, but that's when you shine. I can't stop shouting, knowing it's gonna be nice. Well, you never promised me that my days would be problem-free, but you did promise to always take care of me. Right now it seems that my troubles will never end. I know you promised to be my closest friend, and it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. Whatever you got in store for me, Lord. It's gonna be nice. It's crazy right now.
Okay guys, so this is what her hair looks like after being blown out. She has a lot of hair, and her hair is very thick. So I'm gonna begin the process of straightening or silk pressing it. So the idea is to not to have so much product in the hair. The hair is supposed to be free and lightweight, and right now that's what is going on. It's very lightweight, right? So you know, at the end result, when you're flat ironing, it will come out very, I would say, more like white people hair, like silk, you know. So and also when you're parting the hair, you need to part it very thin, because if you have too much hair bunched up together, it you won't get the result that you're looking for, like the really silk looking. So remember to part the hair very thin. I know it's gonna take time, but in the end the result will be great. So we'll come back maybe halfway through, and I'll show you what it looks like.
I can't stop shouting. Oh yeah. Well, I gotta remind myself daily who lives inside of me, and when I stay close to you, close to me, you're gonna be no more crying about my situation. I know what I gotta do. I gotta pray, gotta trust, gotta believe, depend on you.
So guys, as you can see, we're almost halfway, and her hair is pretty straight and light, as you can see, but she has a lot of dead ends. I won't be cutting it today because she doesn't want her hair to be cut, but normally when you do a silk press like this, you would have to cut off all the dead ends, and so that it can look really like healthy and strong. But this is where we are so far. It's pretty light, pretty movie, pretty silky. So I'll catch up with you guys when I am almost done, or maybe all done. All right. Hi guys, so this is the finished product. I'm all done. As you can see, Her hair is still pressed out. Thank you guys for watching. I know this is my first time. There's a lot more to learn. Probably other better products to use. So I will be researching, and looking for maybe other products to use. But this is the finished look. Alright. Let me find back that part. Alright, there we go.
Mom, this is your first.
Okay.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine.